Introducing the Classroom Newsletter Generator. Weekly classroom updates made effortless. Are you still spending your valuable time building newsletters by hand every week? With the Classroom Newsletter Generator, you can easily build weekly updates with no stress and no design tools. Add in information for the whole class, as well as individual student information. You can even include embedded photos and attachments. Then, just click a button to send out your beautifully crafted newsletter. Need your newsletter translated? The Classroom Newsletter Generator will do it automatically, in any language you'll choose. Created by a busy educator for busy educators.